Layer 2 of this, we're gonna go opposite arm to knee to work our oblique connection here. So again, pelvis is in neutral throughout. You're gonna take your right hand to your left knee. You're gonna inhale to prepare, exhale. Start to press that knee and hand into each other to feel that diagonal connection of your abdominals. Pressing just hard enough to feel that connection, not pressing as hard as you can. You're gonna inhale, release that connection, and then exhale, reconnect. And release. Supine chest press. So you're gonna start with both weights pressed straight up towards the ceiling, palms facing down towards your feet. You're gonna inhale here as you slowly lower the arms down. My elbows are out at about shoulder height, and then exhale to press back up. As we lower, we want to be thoughtful that we're grounding both of our arms down into the floor, but we're also not losing the connection of our pelvis to rib cage. It's staying neutral throughout. And then also that rib cage to pelvis connection is maintained as I press up. Something else you want to be thoughtful of is often if our weights are too heavy, we can start to use our neck in the process and we start to arch our neck in order to press. So be thoughtful that you keep that neck also in neutral. I like to give the visual that imagine you have an orange that you're trying to hold here underneath your chin gently. So if you start to tip your head back, that orange would roll right out of place. So holding there as you exhale to press up, inhale to slowly lower back down with control. Quadruped variation here, adding on to our breathing that we practiced previously. So we're gonna inhale here first. Exhale, you're gonna slide one leg out, reach through that heel, maintaining contact with the other three limbs, and I'm keeping my spine nice and long, using my block as feedback, making sure that my hip doesn't dip down or drop. And then I'm gonna exhale, connect my center to pull that knee back in. Exhale as you reach the next leg out, reaching through that heel, staying nice and level with your pelvis, and then exhale, pull that knee back into where you started. For your frog bridge, you're gonna start with your knees out on a 45-degree angle. Your feet are going to be in a V with your heels together. You're gonna inhale at the bottom, exhale to press your pelvis up, being thoughtful that your rib cage stays connected to your pelvis, that you're not overextending and arching throughout. Drawing that together, holding at the top for a moment, and then breathe as you lower back down. Goblet squat, holding your weight here at your chest, coming from a bench or a chair. You're gonna inhale here, exhale, shift and hinge your weight forward. Exhale, drive up tall to standing, making sure at the top that you're not overextending your hips forward. They're staying right underneath your rib cage over your heels. Inhale here at the top, exhale, hip hinge, sit your booty back to reach for that chair, controlled descent to accept your seat.